In recent years, we have seen a rapid growth in interest in technology-enhanced learning, or TEL for short. This has been driven by the ubiquity of digital technologies and by changing circumstances across higher education, especially what has been called massification. At Warwick, we believe that it should be easy for anyone, regardless of their initial digital skills level, to successfully transform learning and teaching with technology. And that is the aim of the Extended Classroom Initiative. Technology-enhanced learning, TEL, is being used by many academic teachers to transform practice, beginning with familiar modes and moving to a much wider repertoire. Some common elements of this repertoire are listed here. At Warwick, such transformation projects are often sparked by participation in Learning and Development Centre courses like PGA TEL, or through attending showcasing events, and formal and informal teaching review processes, especially when students can be involved. Lecture capture is a good example. It makes it easy to record lectures, combining audio, video, chalkboard or whiteboard recordings and screen capture. The recordings may then be shared through Moodle with access restricted to a module's participants. This is often used to flip the classroom. That is to say, to replace a conventional lecture with a video lecture and more interactive use of face-to-face time, in which students are directly engaged, perhaps even taking the lead, or more independent student working away from the classroom. Research has shown, however, that the TEL transformation process is more complex than that. One way to reduce the complexity is to reflect on our designs through different lenses, each with its own concepts, practices, priorities, values, ambitions, and capabilities. This is both a necessity, given the diversity of participants in teaching and learning today, and a productive avenue for innovation. For example, we could get students to record and reflect on their progress using My Portfolio. What should this reflection be concerned with? They could do this when learning ideas and methods that are rooted in their specific academic discipline, and we should see this through the discipline lens. And at the same time, they can create an additional layer of interpretation and presentation oriented towards prospective employers through the employability lens. My Portfolio provides a student-centric space for recording, reflection and synthesis. It can be more or less private or open, more or less structured or unstructured. We could design support material to help students with the multi-perspectival approach to reflection in My Portfolio. We do, however, need to be aware of the complexities introduced by diversity, as seen through these multiple lenses. What are the training and support issues that these variations add to the design of your teaching? Think about the different capabilities and expectations of staff, students and employers, and the diversity amongst each group. We will also inevitably find many practical constraints blocking progress from the design stage through to implementation. The Extended Classroom Initiative has been created with such constraints in mind. It aims to give us greater flexibility in the practical conditions under which learning takes place, the when, where and how, thus overcoming constraints. By understanding the Extended Classroom toolset in the context of your learning design ambitions and through the various lenses through which we see learning design, you should be able to achieve worthwhile and enduring improvements. We are simplifying this by ensuring that the best possible tools are selected, that they are wrapped in an efficient service layer to ensure reliability, simplicity and easy access to support, and that their purpose and value is clearly and simply described in plain English. This goes beyond just documenting the toolset. Working with staff and students, we are creating a set of recipes for success, each of which documents in as simple a way as possible how to implement a learning design approach, such as the flipped classroom, which tools to use, which skills need to be acquired by teachers and students and others, what preparations to take, and who to go to for help. The Extended Classroom Toolkit and the accompanying Recipes are fully documented in the Extended Classroom Guide in Moodle. They are also being referred to within LDC courses and all other related events and communications. To find out more, go to Warwick AC UK/extended classroom and enrol for access to the tools and the recipes.